Let's talk side hustle, baby. Forget dog walking and freelance gigs. We're diving into the future of income AI. Imagine adding an extra $500, even $1,000 to your monthly bottom line. No coding, no tech headaches, just pure AI-powered profit. Sounds insane? It's not. 2025 is the year of no-code AI, and it's your time to cash in. This isn't about replacing your day job yet. It's about unlocking new income streams. It's about taking control of your financial future. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius. If you can use your phone, you can conquer this. Are you ready to level up? Let's go. I'm talking about real opportunities, real money. This is about taking your financial destiny into your own hands. The future is here and it's powered by AI. Don't just watch from the sidelines, jump in and claim your piece of the pie. Listen up, entrepreneurs and hustlers, the AI revolution is here. Forget what you think you know about complex coding and expensive software. This is different. We're talking no-code AI platforms that are about to explode. By 2025, experts predict a market worth over $10 billion for custom AI tools. That's billion with a B. Here's the kicker. You don't need to be a tech wizard to cash in. These platforms are built for everyone. Drag, drop, and boom, you've got your own AI-powered application. No coding experience, no problem. This is about empowering everyone to tap into the power of AI. It's about breaking down barriers and democratizing access to cutting-edge technology. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor. The early bird gets the worm, right? Don't wait until everyone and their grandma is building AI apps. The time to act is now. Enter the game changer in the name of the no-code AI tool. This isn't just another platform, it's your secret weapon for building and launching AI-powered applications that make you money, no coding required. Imagine this. You're building, launching, and profiting from your very own AI creations. No more tech headaches, no more relying on expensive developers. This platform puts the power in your hands. It's like having a team of AI engineers at your fingertips, ready to execute your vision. And the best part? You can monetize these apps in a snap. Think subscription services, premium features, the sky's the limit. The future of income generation is here. It's time to ride the wave of no-code AI and build the life you've always dreamed of. Section 4, from classrooms to kitchens, AI wins. Don't just take my word for it. Real people just like you are already crushing it with no-code AI. Take Sarah, a teacher who used, name of the no-code AI tool, to create a personalized lesson planner app. Teachers loved it. She's now earning an extra $1,000 per month. Or how about Mike, a baker who automated his entire inventory tracking system? No more late-night spreadsheets. AI handles it all. He's saving time and raking in the dough, pun intended. These are just two examples of the endless possibilities unlocked by no-code AI. The beauty of this technology is its versatility. It can be applied to any industry, any niche, any passion. Whether you're a teacher, a baker, a musician, or an entrepreneur, there's an AI solution waiting to be built. Don't limit your imagination. The only limit is your own creativity. Section 5, your 3-step launchpad to AI profits. Ready to launch your own AI-powered income stream? It's easier than you think. Here's your 3-step launchpad. 1. Sign up. Head over to link to the no-code AI tool and create your free account. It's as simple as signing up for any other online service. No credit card, no commitments. Just pure AI power at your fingertips. 2. Customize. Choose a template or start from scratch. Drag, drop, and tweak until your app is perfect. Remember, you don't need any coding skills. This platform is designed for everyone. 3. Monetize. Connect your payment gateway and start rolling in the revenue. Offer subscriptions, premium features, or one-time purchases. The choice is yours. See, I told you it was easy. Within a few hours you can go from zero to AI hero. Don't wait for the right time. There's never been a better time to jump into the world of AI. This is your chance to be at the forefront of a technological revolution. Don't let it pass you by. Section 6. Don't let perfection kill your hustle. One last piece of advice, don't overthink it. The beauty of no-code AI is that you can iterate and improve as you go. Don't get bogged down trying to create the perfect app right out of the gate. Start simple, launch fast, and learn from your users. The key is to take action. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover the true potential of no-code AI. And who knows, you might just stumble upon the next $1 million app idea. Remember, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So what are you waiting for? dive in, get your hands dirty, and start building your AI-powered future today. Hey, this is Gary V. You just got a sneak peek into the future of income generation. Now it's time to take action. Subscribe below for more game-changing insights, tips, and strategies to crush it in the world of no-code AI. Let's do this. See you in the next video.